What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Gunslinger Colt from Brawl Stars. Now we're going to get started at the very top of our page with the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down. And we're just going to bend that in towards the center of our page. Now I'm going to take that and flip it over on the right. So starting right in the middle, it's going to bend this out and then up towards the right side. Let's flatten off the end with a short angle line going up and in. And then from the outside, we're just going to follow that same curve. Coming down and then in towards the center. And then we'll carefully bend that back out and up on the right. Now from here, we're going to continue working our way up towards the top of the hat. Let's flatten off the top edge of the brim. Starting over on the left side, just going to bend this down and then back up on the right. And we'll place that large bullet in the center of the hat. Starting over on the left, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Connect the top with a straight line. Now we're going to go all the way up to the top of the bullet in the center. Add another point. We're going to bend this out towards the left. Just going to leave a little overlap on the outside. Let's go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Let's go up to the center, add another point, angle up and out towards the left with a straight line, go up towards the right. Now from the outside to the center, we're going to add a half circle, going down and then up, and do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw two half ovals for the eyes. And we'll fill those in black. And we'll connect the bottom with a curve, going up the middle, and then back down. And then on the side, we'll draw two straight lines. Let's add that band going out towards the side. From the side of the bullet, go out and then bend that down. We'll line this up on the right. And it'll come straight down towards the top of the hat brim. Let's add a curve along the top. From this point, we're going to go up, then bend that down. And we'll pull that back down towards the top of the hat. Now you want to continue this curve over on the outside, going out and then down. And we'll add the tip of the bullets along the top. From the side, curve up and in towards the middle, go up and out. From the outside of the band, we're going to step in, draw a straight angle line, going up and in, move over towards the right. Just going to pull that up towards the same height. Now we're going to bend this in, curve up and in with a short line. Let's close the top of the hat, starting on the left. Just going to bend this up, round out the hat, and then come back down. Now we're going to move back down and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. From that center point, let's step out towards the left, curve this out, and then down, just lining up with the side of the hat. Line this up on the right, going out, and then down. Now tuck the eyebrows up underneath the hat. Let's start on the left side, starting from the outside. Angle down and then in. Now the eyebrow on the right is going to be raised up a little bit higher. So we're going to line this up, step up, go up and out. Let's round out the inside of the eyebrow. On the left, come up and out. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the outside, go out and up. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyebrow. Let's start on the outside, draw a circle, going all the way around towards the bottom, and then pull that up on the inside of the eyebrow. Now we just want to line this up on the right. Starting at the bottom of the eyebrow, draw on that circle, coming down toward the same height, going around and back up towards the top. Let's push the pupils towards the inside of the eye. Starting on the left side at the very top, draw an oval. Going down, back up. Now line up the top on the right side. Come down, and then up. Let's fill the pupils in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We'll start on the left, curve the nose going down, and then up. And then from the side of the nose, curve the mustache, going out and then down towards the side. Now we're going to work our way back up underneath the hat. Let's start back on the left, draw a short angled line going up and out. Curve this out and then up towards the side of the head. And we'll angle up and in underneath the hat. Now I'm going to move back to the center and draw the bottom edge of the mustache. Starting over on the left, I'm going to bend this up and then down. Angle this down and out towards the side. Go straight down with a short line. Now I'm going to curve this down and then in. Just going to leave a gap in the center. Let's pull this up and in. And close off the top with a straight line. And it'll add a small X in the center of the chin. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the outside of the head. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll round out the cheekbones. Starting back on the left, go out, and then hook that in. And then from the inside of the cheek, we'll step back out, come down, bend that in with a short line. And we'll connect the jaw with a curve. We're going to bring this down underneath the mouth, and then back up on the right. Let's go back out to the side and draw on the ears. From the top of the cheek, we'll step up, curve the ear, going up, down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, around, and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top of the cheek and add the fold inside the ear, going up and then out. Now that we completed the head, let's move back out and finish off the hat. Starting from the bottom corner, curve the hat going out, down, and then in toward the side of the ear. And now we're going to go back and add a couple wrinkles on the outside of the eye. Starting on the left, draw a short angled line going out, and a step down and draw that again. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. Leaving a large gap in the center, let's start over on the left side, curve the coat coming down, and then we'll bend that out towards the very bottom of the legs. Let's move over towards the right, coming down, and bending that out in the opposite direction. And now we're going to move back up and draw on the large collar. From the corner of the jaw, we're going to step in, curve the collar going out, down, and then bend that in. Let's go over towards the right, going out, down. I'm just going to line this up with the left side. Let's go back down to the bottom, curve out, and then up. And then we'll go up underneath the collar, starting on the left, draw a short line coming down. And then we'll connect the top to the outside of the coat with a curve, going down and then bending that out. Now we're going to move in and draw the body inside the coat. Let's start on the left, start with the top edge of the belt, curving down and then up, step down, and draw that twice. And then from the center of the belt, let's step out toward the left, draw a short line coming down, line this up along the bottom, connect the inside with a half circle, going out toward the right, and then back out. And then we'll go all the way over towards the right side and add a curve. Now we're going to move up and add those straps going across the body. Let's start on the top of the belt on the right, curl this out, then up on the left. Now from the center of the body, curl this down and out towards the left. Let's draw the top of the strap. We're going to step up, curl this down and out, and then from the bottom left, we'll step up, curl this in behind that strap. Now we want to continue the strap up on the right side. So start with the top line, going out and then up, and then we'll line up the bottom. Let's go back up to the top on the left side, angle down and out for the collar. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the center, step down, draw a curve, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the middle, go over towards the left side, curve the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we draw a straight line going out underneath the coat along the bottom of the feet. And then from the inside of the heel, draw an oval. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the inside of that oval, we're going to draw a strap. Start from the top, angle up and out, step down, and draw that again. Let's go to the top of the strap, curve the boot coming up and bending that in, and line this up on the right. Now we're going to add another strap going across the top of the leg. Starting on the outside, curve down and in, step down, and draw that twice. Let's line this up on the right. Now we want to see the back of the coat in between the legs. Let's start on the inside on the left, angle up and in, angle down and out. Now that we finished the body, let's move up and draw the arms holding two pistols. Starting from the top of the collar on the left, curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist, go over towards the right, and then we'll do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the left side and curl around the thumb. We go up, then the thumb coming down. We'll round out the tip of the thumb and then pull that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the outside of the thumb and draw an oval, going around, down, and back in towards the thumb. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to tuck the last two fingers underneath. Starting from the bottom of the first finger, draw a half oval, going around and then up underneath the thumb, go back to the outside, and do that again. And now we're going to layer the handle in behind the thumb and the finger. Starting from the inside of the thumb, draw a straight line coming down, and round up the bottom of the handle, and then pull that back up along the bottom finger. Let's go back to the top of the wrist, draw a straight line coming down, and it'll bend the hand coming back out in behind the handle. And then from the bottom of the hand, we're going to follow that same curve of the arm coming in and up behind the collar. Now we're going to move up to the top of the thumb, draw a straight line going all the way out towards the tip of the pistol. Let's flatten off the end with a straight line going up towards the top. And then from the top, draw a straight line coming in. Now I just want to bend this down towards the top of the thumb. Let's add the trigger around the top finger. Starting underneath the gun, go around the finger, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to add some detail to the gun. From the top corner, step in, draw a short line going up, come in, and then we'll angle that down towards the top. Let's go to the center of the gun, draw a straight line coming down, and then right before that curve, draw another line. And we'll add 2 lines going across that center area, starting with the top and then the bottom. Let's go to the back of the gun, curve in and then up, come down and then bend that back out. Let's take that and flip it over on the right, curving in and then up, come straight down and bend that back out. And that's pretty much it. There's Gunslinger Colt from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.